Have you ever wondered how dependent we are on technology? It's the question of the day, isn't it? The omnipresence of technology in our lives is akin to the air we breathe. It's everywhere, yet rarely do we give it a second thought. We wake up to the sound of an alarm on a smartphone, not a rooster crowing. We check our emails before we've even brushed our teeth. Our kitchen appliances brew our coffee and toast our bread, while we're still rubbing the sleep from our eyes. Throughout the day, we're glued to our screens, be it a laptop, a tablet, or that ever so indispensable smartphone. And when the night comes, we bid the world good night with the soft glow of the screen as our lullaby. Now let's take a step back in time. Picture ancient civilizations, the Greeks, the Romans, the Egyptians. They too were dependent not on technology, but on their gods and goddesses. They looked to Zeus for rain, to Ra for sunlight, to Bacchus for wine. Every aspect of their lives, every success, every failure was attributed to these divine beings. They were their guides, their protectors, their providers. Are we so different today? We look to our phones for connection, to our computers for knowledge, to our kitchen appliances for sustenance. We depend on them for our survival, for our prosperity. We trust them with our secrets, our hopes, our fears. We've even personified them, haven't we? Siri, Alexa, Cortana, they're not just machines. They're our companions, our confidants. This reliance on technology, this unquestioning faith, mirrors the reverence ancient civilizations had for their gods and goddesses. We too have our pantheon. Not of deities, but of devices. They've become our new gods, our new goddesses. And so it seems the more things change, the more they stay the same. Just as ancient people turned to their deities for guidance, so do we turn to technology to navigate our world. Much like the Greek goddess Athena, technology serves as our source of wisdom and knowledge. In our digital world, the internet has become a vast repository of knowledge, akin to the wisdom Athena once provided. Every day, thousands of pieces of information are uploaded, shared, and consumed, creating a never-ending cycle of knowledge exchange. It's like a great library, open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, where the sum of human knowledge is at our fingertips. This boundless source of information is reminiscent of Athena's wisdom, available to anyone who seeks it. Yet, the internet is not just a passive repository. It actively provides us with the information we seek, much like Athena's wise counsel to those in need. Enter the search engine, our modern-day oracle. With a few key taps, we can ask our questions and receive answers in mere seconds. These search engines are our guides through the vast labyrinth of information, helping us find the knowledge we seek. They are like Athena's owl, a symbol of wisdom and knowledge, guiding us through the dark. But, like Athena, technology doesn't just provide raw knowledge. It also gives us the tools to understand and use this knowledge. Algorithms and artificial intelligence help us filter and organize information, turning raw data into understandable insights. They help us make sense of the world, much like Athena helped the ancient Greeks navigate their complex society. However, technology's wisdom isn't infallible. Just as Athena's wisdom could be challenging and cryptic, the knowledge we gain from technology can be complex and difficult to understand. It requires discernment, critical thinking, and sometimes a bit of patience to separate the wheat from the chaff, the truth from the falsehood. In the realm of knowledge, technology reigns supreme, much like Athena did in ancient Greece. It's a powerful tool, a source of wisdom and knowledge, a guide through the information labyrinth, but like any tool, it's only as good as the one who wields it. Wisdom, after all, isn't just about having knowledge. It's about knowing how to use it. Technology, like the Roman god Mars, dictates the strategies and outcomes of our conflicts. In the vast expanse of our modern world, technology has come to occupy a place of reverence, much like the gods of old. War and strategy, once the domain of Mars, the Roman god of war, have now been usurped by the might and reach of technology. Consider the drones that patrol our skies, silent and unseen, wielding power from the heavens. These are not the chariots of Mars, but they are no less potent. They are the eyes and ears in places where human soldiers cannot tread, collecting intelligence, striking with precision, and changing the very nature of conflict. But the realm of technology extends beyond the physical world. It weaves its way into the virtual, into the realm of ones and zeros, cyber warfare, a battleground unseen, yet no less real. Here, technology is the sword and the shield. It is the key to unlock secrets, to disrupt infrastructures, to sow discord. This is a game of strategy, a chess match played out in code and algorithms, where the victors are those who command the gods of technology. Yet let us not forget, technology, much like Mars, is a double-edged sword. Its power can protect or destroy, unite or divide. It is a tool, a weapon, a strategy, guided by the hands that wield it. And in this, perhaps, lies the greatest parallel between Mars and technology. Both are not inherently good or evil, but are shaped by those who command their power. In the grand scheme of our battles, technology has become the new Mars, dictating our strategies, shaping our conflicts, and determining our outcomes. It is a god of our own making, a testament to our creativity and a reflection of our ambitions. As Mars was a god of war and strategy, so too is technology a key player in our battles. Technology, like the Greek goddess Aphrodite, has a hand in our relationships and perceptions of beauty. Consider the realm of love and beauty once presided over by the Greek goddess Aphrodite. Aphrodite, with her golden apple and her girdle that made everyone fall in love with the wearer, was a symbol of attraction, desire, and the complex beauty of human relationships. Now, in the 21st century, our Aphrodite has been replaced by a new deity, technology. And this new deity, much like Aphrodite, plays a profound role in our relationships and our perceptions of beauty. Let's delve into the world of social media, for instance. In this digital age, the concept of beauty has evolved. It's no longer just about physical appearance. It's about the number of likes, shares, and followers one has. It's about the perfect selfie, the captivating caption, the viral video. The digital realm has become our new mirror, reflecting not just our faces, but our lives, our achievements, our dreams. And just as Aphrodite's beauty was admired and envied, so too are the lives we present on social media. And what about our relationships? They too have been touched by the hand of technology. With the swipe of a finger on a dating app, we can find potential partners, make connections, even fall in love. No longer do we need to rely on chance encounters or introductions from friends. Instead, we have algorithms, profiles, and compatibility scores. We have the power to filter and select, to choose who we let into our lives. And just as Aphrodite's girdle made everyone fall in love with the wearer, so too do these apps give us the power to attract and captivate. So as we navigate this digital landscape, let's remember that technology, like Aphrodite, is not just a tool, but a force with the power to shape and influence. As Aphrodite influenced love and beauty, so too does technology shape our relationships and aesthetics. So, has technology become our new pantheon of gods and goddesses? Indeed, the parallels drawn throughout our discussion paint a vivid picture of how technology has assumed a significant role in our lives, akin to the gods and goddesses of ancient times. Each sphere of our existence, be it knowledge, warfare, or love, bears the undeniable imprint of technology shaping our experiences in profound ways. Let's take a moment to revisit these parallels. In the realm of knowledge and wisdom, search engines and databases have emerged as our Athena, the goddess of wisdom, offering a wealth of information at our fingertips. Our quest for knowledge, once dependent on books and scholars, has been transformed by these digital repositories, bringing the world's wisdom to our screens. In the theatre of war and strategy, artificial intelligence and drones have become our Ares, the god of war. With their ability to strategize, predict, and execute military operations, these technological marvels have revolutionized warfare, reshaping the battlefield in unprecedented ways. In the domain of love and beauty, social media and virtual reality have taken on the role of Aphrodite, the goddess of love and beauty. These platforms and technologies have redefined how we form and maintain relationships, how we perceive beauty, and how we express our affection. As we continue to rely heavily on these technological entities, we must also contemplate the implications of this dependence. Are we ceding too much control to our new pantheon? Are we losing our ability to think critically, to strategize independently, or to form genuine human connections? These are questions we must grapple with, as we navigate our increasingly digital world. In the end, technology has indeed become a new pantheon, governing various aspects of our lives, much like the gods and goddesses of old.